In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donation button in Wix. If you're looking to support your cause or organization by accepting donations on your Wix website, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Wix account. If you're not, go ahead and sign in using your login credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll want to navigate to your website editor. This is where all the magic happens and where you can make modifications to your site according to your preferences. Now, while you're in the website editor, turn your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a plus icon. Give that a click. This is the tool that allows you to add various elements to your site, including forms. Clicking that will present you with a drop-down menu of options to enhance your website. Here, you'll want to select Contact Forms. Under this category, you'll notice a donation option. That's the one we're looking for. Once you've selected donation, you're going to see a variety of donation form templates. These are pre-designed forms that have been optimized for user experience. Choose the one that suits your style and the needs of your website. Simply click or select the form that you prefer, and it will automatically be added to your web page. With the donation form now placed on your website, you have the choice to customize it to better fit your specific requirements. To do this, click on Edit Form. This is where you can personalize various elements of the form. You can edit fields such as the first name, last name, and email address of your donors. Additionally, you can set the donation amount options and perhaps include a section asking how donors heard about your initiative. You might also want to add a brief description to give visitors more context about your cause. Once you've tailored the form to your satisfaction, make sure to click Save. This is a crucial step to ensure that all your changes are securely updated on your site. If you'd like to further refine the appearance and layout, click on Settings. Here you can adjust the design and layout of the form to make sure it blends seamlessly with the rest of your website's aesthetics. And there you have it. You've successfully added a donation button to your Wix website. Feel free to explore the other settings and options available to you. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thank you for watching.